everyone, so welcome back to my channel. And today is not your usual pick a card. I just have to spill something that's been on my mind as your reader. Goddess Tarot 4-4. And if you're curious about what really happens behind the scene or ano yung nararamdaman ng person mo, stay tuned because this might resonate with you too. Leave what doesn't. So, I wish you were mine. Somebody here wants to be with you or I feel like the energy of this person na gusto niyang magkaroon ng clear communication with you. Like, I'm picking this person ghosted you for months or sobrang tagal ng... Okay, special message. Sobrang tagal ng walang communication. I wish we could be together but it's complicated. Okay? So, I'm picking that your person is already with someone else. It's probably, there is a third party interference pero takot siya na magkaroon ng lapses yung relationship nyo. Ayaw niyang mawala ka, kaya nilihim niya yung relationship niya with the third party. I'm seeing also, biglang pumasok sa isip ko yung 333. Okay, let's see with your cards. We have, I need some more time before I can come to you and I wish we could be together. Okay, so I feel like this person needs to leave something like a relationship or responsibilities in order to be with you. Kasi hindi madali para sa kanya na bitawan yung connection na meron siya ngayon. Pero at the same time, ayaw niyang mawala ka. I wish we could be together forever. Meron sa part niya na hindi niya kayang bitawan yung isa, pero mas ikaw yung nararamdaman niyang energy. I just see here na mas ramdam niya yung connection yung dalawa, kaya hindi ka niya ma-let go basta-basta. Okay. So, I dream about a future with you. Ikaw yung parang pinapantasya ng tao na to. If you believe na may isang tao na talagang sobra yung paghanga niya sa'yo, pero may fear of, like, may fear siya na maging open, or takot siya na magsabi ng totoo niyang nararamdaman. So, that is the reason why this person is not telling anyone kung ano ba talaga yung meron kayo. Pwedeng sinisikreto niya, ayaw niyang sabihin. But at the same time, umaasa siya na magkaroon kayo ng progress. Tignan pa natin sa energies ng tao na to. You were the light at the end of my tunnel. So, I see here, this is your collective reading, and ang nakikita ko dito na yung kanyang feelings is, feeling niya ikaw na, yung the one, like, hindi niya ma-invest sa iba yung feelings niya. Nagtatry siya na makipagkilala sa iba. But it always seems na nag-i-end up siya with you. And yun yung mga bagay na hindi niya kayang bitawan. Mahirap para sa kanya na i-let go yung connection yung dalawa. And to tell you honestly, nag-try naman siyang magmahal ng iba. Pero the end of the day, it's always you. And nag-i-end pa rin sa'yo yung connection. Okay, so we have I love you to the moon and back a million times. I see here na sinantabi ka niya just for the part na hindi pa siya ready. Pero in the end of the day, ikaw yung hinahanap niya. Meron sa'yo na energy na hindi niya nakikita sa iba. So, this person wanted to come forward at ipaliwanag sa'yo kung ano talaga yung mangyayari sa connection yung dalawa. So, darating yung time. I want to see in tarot cards kung ano yung susunod na move ng person mo. Okay. Mamimili na daw siya. So, it's all about decision na hindi niya ginagawa dati. Strength card is also here. Ngayon daw siya mamimili. Kasi, ito na yung time kung kailangan niya na mag-decide. Sino ba sa inyong dalawa yung dapat niyang piliin? Kasi kailangan niya na mag-settle down. It's either you or the other person. Kasi pag hindi ka niya pinili, alam niyang mawawala ka Kaya meron siyang decision dito na iti-take. And that is to choose you. And nakikita ko dito na nandun siya sa state ng pagkakaroon ng reflection or siya ay nagmumuni-muni sa ngayon. But that's how I see it because it's really different part ng kanyang buhay. Yung may kailangan siyang iwasan or iwanan para lang makasama ka.